Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. We are preparing for JEE NEET. Okay. Second lesson, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Some topics they have not covered in our textbook, but we have to study because it is in syllabus of JEE and NEET. Moreover, these topics are important for concepts. Okay. So this is about cylindrical capacitor. Okay, this is hollow cylinder and this is another hollow cylinder. Smaller has radius R1, bigger has radius R2. Okay, they are coaxial, their axes are same. Okay, this smaller and the length is suppose capital L, and here L is too large compared to any radius. Okay, L is, we can write anywhere. Okay, here L is too greater than R1 as well as L is too greater than R2, because in that case only we can have the formula for electric field. Okay, easier formula that we have obtained in lesson 1. In short, this is very long cylinder. Okay, smaller is having radius R1, bigger is having radius R2. This has total positive charge capital Q. Okay, that is uniformly distributed. This has total negative charge minus Q, uniformly distributed. We know that at any point between these two hollow cylinders, the electric field will be outward. Moreover, if I consider a small fraction of area, the area vector will be in this direction. So electric field and area vector will be in same direction. Okay, this is forming a capacitor, and we have to obtain equation for or formula for capacitance. Okay, so according to Gauss's law, we know that flux equals to sigma q upon epsilon naught, where sigma q equals to flux into epsilon naught. We know that flux equals to EA, actually EA cos theta, but here theta is 0, so EA cos 0, so that is EA into epsilon naught. Here we have to consider the area of hollow cylinder. We cannot consider these two sides because electric field is in this direction, not in this direction, because for this direction E and dA will have angle 90. E dA cos 90 will be 0. So electric field is only in this direction or in this direction, not in this direction. So I have to consider area of a hollow cylinder. Okay, that is 2 pi RL I have considered here. Okay, so E will be equal to Q upon 2 pi RL epsilon naught. V is the potential difference. Okay, so we know that V equals to minus E dot dr from R2 to R1. Okay, I have considered R2 to R1 because the potential of smaller is more than bigger one. Okay, so minus R2 to R1, E is Q upon 2 pi RL epsilon naught into dr. Okay, so taking Q upon 2 pi L epsilon naught as common, okay, it will be 1 upon R dr. But we know that integration of 1 upon R is log R to the base E, symbolically shown as ln R. So it is ln R, okay, from R2 to R1. So minus Q upon 2 pi L epsilon naught log R1 minus log R2, okay, to the base E. Okay, so if I take minus inside the bracket, it will be log R2 minus log R1. Okay, so Q upon 2 pi epsilon naught log R2 by R1. We know that capacitance equals to Q by V. Okay, so 2 pi L epsilon naught upon log R2 by R1 to the base E. Okay, so why I pronounce it as log? Because see, log to the base E, that we have to mention, because the provided log table is on the base of 10. Okay, so we have to convert log this equation in terms of log to the base 10. Okay, so you must remember it. Okay, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay, take a screenshot. Bye.